Here we are in Maya. Let's set the project to Maya folder, as all the textures are linked to source images in this folder. I'm just navigating to the scenes folder and opening the first scene out of 4, and this is a character in T-pose. The rig is an FK rig with all the joints, rotations zeroed out. One axis of the head is constrained to a controller, so you can make the character look at the direction that you need while it's talking. You can just delete this aim constraint if you don't need to use it. As you see, it all deforms correctly. The joints are oriented properly. All fingers bend on the same axis to make a grip. There are 51 morph targets, and these are named correctly to work with iPhone X. Each of these morph targets or blend shapes have been created based on a 3D scan. This is just a quick demonstration of what can be achieved using these blend shapes or morph targets. There are 5 materials applied to the head. A material for gums with a diffuse map, another one for tongue with a diffuse map. All the textures are linked to source images. Head material with a diffuse map, and lashes with a diffuse and a transparency map. The hair material has 3 texture maps: diffuse, normal map and a transparency map. The eye has 3 materials applied to it, one for the outer transparent material and the other for the cornea with a diffuse map, and for another material for black eye piece. Jacket has a normal map and a diffuse map applied to it. T-shirt with a diffuse map. And trousers with a normal and a diffuse map. And body material with a diffuse map. All meshes have been UV unwrapped. The second scene is essentially the same as the previous one, but it has animation applied to it. This is just for demonstration purposes. It's a 550 frames body loop animation plus facial animation. And you can control where the character is looking with the aim constraint. The third scene is a 550 frames animation loop of a body with gestures. As you can see, it seamlessly blends. So you can create your own facial animation and combine this with the body loop animation. I provide facial animation and voiceover service, so if you are interested, please contact me and I'll be able to get it done for you. And the last fourth scene is the animation loop of a settled body movements of a standing person that you can apply facial animation to. This also seamlessly loops. I have the first Maya scene open, which is a character in T-pose. There's no animation on it. If you navigate and import an FBX file, it will just update animation. There are 4 FBX files available. The first one is the character in the T-pose with no animation. The second one is body gestures animation combined with facial animation sample. The third one is just a 550 frames loop of body gestures, and the fourth one is 300 frames loop of body animation with just settle movements. So let's import one FBX. So nothing's changed, just the animation has been updated. If you are using a different version of Maya than Maya 2018, you can directly open one of the FBX files. All the textures are embedded into an FBX file, so they will be pulled from this FBX file. So once you open the FBX file directly into Maya, the textures will be there. So this is 300 frames loop. And we have here 550 frames loop. And these are directly open FBX files that have textures embedded into them.